atukanda ekiba ekiziro bye.
Nkwate mukono yombi. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a tough, hard, tiring morning, but I'm glad that I can do this because I mean, if you can't pay someone to do this for you, you got to do it. And the fact that I stay with my mom, who is aging, who actually cut all these trees and is also doing the carrying, I'm not an exceptional. So in Africa, we actually work hard, you guys. Woo. Oh my God, I'm so sweaty. This is soft life of being a villager, more so an African villager. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You guys, this one, baby, what happened to you? Where is your mama? Oh my God. You're so young, you're so little. What happened to your mama? What happened to your mama, baby? Where is your mama? Oh my God, they wanted to eat you. Oh, they want to eat you? The eagle? Oh, beautiful girl. That's your mama? That one? Is your mama? I'm in the wild.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. Staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall in time.
One thing that I love about myself, I'm so resilient. I don't give up out soon. I don't give up like soon. I give everything my best. So all these logs you see here, they were wet because they were fresh trees cut down in the mini forest down the valley. And I carried all these ones, brought them here. It was really a tiring morning, very hard, very wet. And here I am, I was trying to, like what I'm doing. But sometimes, some days are harder than the other. So after carrying all these logs, I had to sit and relax. Because you guys, if you don't like what you're doing, you're not going to enjoy it. So that's what I was doing, basically right here. But it was really a very tiring, rough, hard morning, if I may say it as it is. But anyways, we move and enjoy the village life, more so African village life. But yeah, this was done. and here I am doing that and this with my mom. And the good news or bad news is we didn't continue with this project. We left it midway. We are waiting for someone a little bit professional and masculine to do this for us. So this is where we stopped doing whatever we're doing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and subscribe so we can be a big family. We are on the road to 1,000. And tell me where you're watching this video from and give it a like. And I'm going to be seeing you in the very next beautiful video, because I'm still here and I'm gonna be here long. So let's enjoy watching this video.